well. Kind of scary.
Might as well start recording too.
I am.
Finally, what did I say when it got warm on that other video? Is it warm?
Oh God.
Heater in the garage isn't on. It's freaking warm. Now we got the front end on. Maybe.
Do you have another jack by any chance?
Why do I need another jack stand?
Oh, okay. We can put it down on the jack stands because then we're gonna have to lift each side to get the spring out.
Spring out.
Yeah.
And I do have another jack. Why isn't this?
So anyways, you might not be able to see it, but this side you can actually see that the brakes are being used. While on this side, that disc is polished to a mirror finish.
Remember on the track when I said, I have no brakes, and you're like, that's why you got a 15 blah, 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 blah. I have no brakes.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Yeah, no.
Dude, you set yourself up for failure in that one. Don't look at me.
Yeah,
Don't blame me.
You said, let's run it anyway. I said, fine, let's do it.
No. You said that.
I said, I'll run you on Cecil Day, on Buick Day. And you said, well, you said you'll do it. I said, fine, let's do it.
Who lost?
Who's not going to lose next time?
Oh, you're already lost.
Yeah, I know. With your big boy toys.
What are you cutting again?
Putting the top of the shock off. The problem's going to be we're going to be left with that nut anyway.
I can get the nut too, once I get the thing off. And the heat might actually loosen it up.
Yeah.
Well, still, we need to, trying to get all the way through?
Yeah, let me try and loosen it first. You don't have the heat blaster, do you?
I do.
So, Doug, what are you doing there?
Taking off the sway bar mount.
I don't know, dude, you got like that voice, like the very, like, you need to be announcing something.
He's got the DJ.
The DJ voice.
DJ, that almost sounds like a
Now back from commercial break.
Like the midnight radio. For all you lovers out there.
See, this is so much better. I don't know why you do everything the hard way.
I had just broken it loose for you.
Yeah, I know. You do everything.
He did all the hard work.
He always
did.
does, though.
I definitely did.
He's the fucking man.
Dude. See, I get no credit. Actually, hold on. I gotta turn the music off.
Play pause button.
Oh, this one right here, sir.
Oh. You know what? I could probably get the deep sockets.
What's that, Damien?
Shut up.
God, jeez.
Shut up. Beep.
Yeah, please.
I'll just beep
I don't
myself.
want to have to be editing or editing.
Editing?
Additive manufacturing? Jesus Christ.
You've been editing enough.
Right? We're waiting on that one. It should be easy. It's already broken loose.
Oh, there's a...
And I'll have this ratcheting one off soon.
I know. It's kind of nicer to film you guys working rather than me working and trying to film.
I can't pick up your camera and film you. I'm not going in your pocket. I can tell you that right now.
Oh, God.
Alright, so here I fixed Doug's screw up as he dropped that off the nut.
Jesus Christ.
Should we try and take it off?
Nah, you might as well just keep going with this.
I mean, I can probably get to it with an extension.
Yeah, but there's rubber.
Huh?
Gotta love carcinogens in the air.
Yeah, girl. Little more. Done. All right, so hold on. Actually, let me turn this light around. There. Oh, it's broken. There we go. All right. So, Damien's over there being a dentist. right? Is that what we said?
Yeah. That's
All
what
right.
it said.
All right. And then we're gonna cut this brake line and let the spring out.
And watch no oil come out.
Watch no fluid come out.
Just like on the
Oh, God.
side. When I kept trying to tell everybody I didn't have fucking brakes.
Dude. Hold on. Trying to do it with. There we go. Nobody died yet.
How much fluid?
Huh?
How much fluid?
A little bit come out. No?
I didn't see any.
Yeah, the dikes didn't even get wet.
You gotta get your legs wet.
What?
You didn't get it.
I didn't hear you.
The dikes
Yeah?
did not even get wet.
Oh, well then there you go.
The joke. Well, Damien's, I don't know what he's doing over there. We're going to weigh this control arm, which weighs an amazing 15 pounds.
Did you zero it out?
Yes, it's zeroed out. We'll see it again. 0.
Yeah, you gotta start it with 0.
15 pounds.
Okay.
0.
You can get one of the other ones.
All right. And now this is the which ones are these? Ridetech StrongArms.
True ride.
True Ride. 13.9 pounds.
Oh, I saved a pound.
1.1.
And it's got a nut on it. The other one didn't have a nut on it.
And it's got a tip.
Although that one has a rubber stopper. I mean a rubber
Yeah, the bump stop.
the bump stop. And this-
Ridetech, that's for lowering your car, isn't it?
yeah, we're getting 2 inches lower.
No, it's Ridetech makes all sorts of stuff. They also make the air ride suspension. But anyways, boop. Dude, that is going to be. Give me like the thumbs up. Hold on, actually. Actually, I can't put that on the thumbnail
Why?
because I get less money for that. So how about
Because you can hide it in there.
I don't think so. Split bumpers. Are you catching the theme yet?
No.
That.
Oh, you too then.
Imagine that, dude.
It would get,
Less weight.
you'd have a little better cooling too.
Oh yeah, it would be awesome, dude.
I don't know.
A lot of people are gonna give me shit about it, but
So, where are you gonna put your license plate there?
Who cares?
Just yeah, I tinted it
Why?
just so that it would blend in with the rest of the car.
No.
Just so it looks like somebody grabbed the spray can and
I
just.
tinted the lights, I tinted the blinkers. I mean, everything's tinted.
By the way, the LEDs on my parking lights are dying. Well, we have a bolt that does not want to cooperate. And yeah. We are recurring to other types of tools. We're about to catch a fire since we have a lot of, whatchamacallit.
Setting the car on fire.
Yeah, right? Right, as the grease melts off your car. Both. It's literally dripping off of the car. Hey, alright, here we go. Whoop.
I'll go wait all this time and then we'll get it.
Can't hammer and record.
Is it moving?
No. Somebody come record. Alright, so anyways, turn this on. Dude, you need to stop cursing. I'm trying to not have to edit you cursing all the time. Alright, so we're zeroed out. This is the upper control arm. Jesus Christ. And that is 9 pounds. Alright, so somebody grab that old one. Yeah, 9 pounds for the new one.
That's also got bolts in it, remember?
There you go.
This has got bolts in it. That one doesn't.
And here's the old one at 9.3.
So it's still going to be lighter because that one had bolts in it.
How much is that?
9. So 9.3 9. With bolts, say that's 9.6, so half a pound. A little under half a pound.
You got a whole pound out of the front now.
Woo!
That really is unfortunate. I'm not happy with that. Ridetech, you need to make your system a little bit lighter.
There you go.
How much did we say this weighed?
I don't remember.
I've got it out.
We weighed it out there.
So yeah, I'm gonna pull this out, put the round, either the round tube or the square tube aluminum one in. Or no, was it in chromoly?
It's
chromoly.
It's
because we can
chromoly.
weld to it.
Yeah.
I want to make one out of aluminum, but again, I don't know how that's gonna hold up.
I don't know. With as simple as they are, we could make what he's trying to buy, but
Here,
I don't think it's worth the hassle. How much is that?
23.4.
And the replacement was gonna be what, 13 pounds?
Yeah, it was like 13. So 10 pounds. 10 pounds is a lot of weight on the front nose. But we were talking about making this out of just a bar and just duplicating this, but add your mounts at the end so that the fenders mount to it, and then just make it out of the bar and bend it.
I don't know. Anyways.
I know.
Well, I'm trying to make the ending of the video here, Damien.
The ending of the video is Damien's gonna drop weight and Emilio's gonna drop more weight after saying, I don't need to drop weight. That's the ending of the video.